So hello folks, and welcome back to this video. And in this video we are going to solve the next problem of this sheet, that which we are following, CP-31 sheet, hand picked problems by Priyansh Agrawal. So we started with 800 rated problems first. We'll go till 1900 definitely, and so I will finish it level wise first, and first we will finish all 800, then 900, and then thousands. So let's open it and solve it. So the third problem is cover in water. So Philip has a row of cells, some of which are blocked and some are empty. He wants all empty cells to have water in them. He has two actions at his disposal. First, place water in an empty cell. He can place water in an empty cell, and the second option is remove water from a cell and place it to. You can remove water from any cell and you can place it to any empty cell, right? Now, one more thing is given, that if at some moment cell I is empty and both cells I minus 1 and I plus 1 contains water, then it becomes filled with water. So if you are let's say if there is some cell which is empty, and there is water filled in its previous cell and its next cell, so it will automatically fill, the current cell will be automatically filled, right? Now we have to just find out the minimum number of times we need to perform action 1, and there is no limitation for action 2, right? So these are the some of the test cases and these are the explanations. So let me share my board and then explain it to you how we can solve this. So let's assume we have some pattern given like this. Our input is like this, right? Now if our input is like this, so you will not able to find out any cell such that if that cell is empty, so its previous cell is also empty and its next cell is also empty, so there is no cell here. So why I am saying this thing, so this is important thing to notice. The reason is why, because just take me one more example and I can easily you can easily relate to it. So let's say same example but with three more dots, one more dot. Now in this case, if you have this scenario and if you have this scenario, so what you can do, so let's say let's try to fill some water. Let's say if you fill some water here and here, okay, so if you fill water at this position and at this position, so automatically this position will be, this empty cell will be automatically filled, and you can just remove that water and place it there, here. Again automatically this will be filled, and you can again remove this and place here. Again it will be automatically filled, and you can remove this and place here, and again it will be automatically filled. So you got the better strategy. So if you have the structure something like this, you can just put at the start and put at the end, and you can just fill as many as empty cells. Doesn't matter how many empty cells are there. So let's say if your structure looks like something like this, so you can just fill here and here, and this cell will be automatically filled as per the given question, and you can perform operation 2 to fill this, to fill this, to fill this, to fill this, because there is no limitation for operation 2. So the observation, the basic observation is, you have to just find out whether there is any three consecutive empty cells are there or not. If it is there, it means you just try to put the empty cell, the water at the first cell and the third cell, and the second cell will be automatically filled, and you just use that second water at the second cell to fill all other empty cells, right? But if there is not the case, so you have to fill water at every place by using operation 1. So here you have to perform operation 1, here you have to perform here, here and here also. So in this case the answer will be 5, but in this case answer will be 2. So if there is 3 consecutive empty cells, the answer will be always 2, always 2, and otherwise the answer will be the count of the empty cells in this given input. So this is the overall observation in this problem. This problem is pretty easy. Let's try to code it. So let's try to code it. So let me copy. So okay, I'm not going to code it because I have already recorded the videos, but somehow there is some problem with the videos. That's why I have to delete those videos and I have to record the videos again. So you will find the code already written for these 3 problems: cover inverter, games with integers, and jagged swap. Because I recorded all these 3 videos already, but somehow I have to delete it because something went wrong in between the video and did not notice that. That's why I have to delete it. So for these 2 videos, for these 3 videos, you will get the solution pre written, because here you can see I have just submitted at sometimes back, right? Okay. So you just need to do only thing that just count the dot and just check whether it is available or not. So here I am checking just whether any 3 consecutive empty cells are available or not. If it is available, just print 2 and otherwise print dot. So this is how you can solve this problem. Thank you so much for watching this video.